You're using something every single day, without even thinking twice about it. It feels normal, harmless, even helpful. But slowly, it's damaging your car in ways you can't see. You're using something every single day, without even thinking twice about it. It feels normal, harmless, even helpful. But slowly, it's damaging your car in ways you can't see. And the scary part is, this damage doesn't happen instantly. It builds quietly, slowly, until one day you suddenly notice something is wrong. It starts with small signs, a slight dullness, a tiny fade in shine, something so small, most people completely ignore it. But over time, that small problem grows bigger, layer by layer, until your car no longer looks the way it used to. And by the time you finally realize it, the damage is already deep, and fixing it can cost you a lot more than you expected. And here's the truth. You're probably doing this right now, thinking it's helping your car, when it's actually doing the opposite. So what exactly is this thing that seems so normal, but quietly destroys your car over time? Let's break it down step by step. It's the product you use when you clean your car, something you thought was safe, but isn't. Many people use strong household cleaners, thinking they clean better, remove more dirt, and make the car shine more. But what they don't realize is, these chemicals are too harsh, and they slowly strip away the protective layer that keeps your car safe. At first, your car might look shiny, maybe even cleaner than before, but underneath, the damage has already started. Over time, your car starts losing its color, its shine fades, and it begins to look older than it actually is. Over time, your car starts losing its color, its shine fades, and it begins to look older than it actually is. And then, you start noticing scratches more easily, even from light touches, things that shouldn't damage it at all. That's because the protective coating is already gone, and now your car is fully exposed to damage from the environment. And this is exactly why some cars lose their shine so quickly, while others stay looking new for years. But here's the good news. This problem is not permanent, and you can still fix it if you act early. The first step is simple. Stop using harsh cleaners immediately, because continuing will only make things worse. Instead, switch to a proper car shampoo, something designed specifically for your vehicle and safe for its surface. These car shampoos are specially made to clean without damaging the surface, so your car stays protected even after multiple washes. And another mistake people make is using rough cloth or old fabric, thinking it doesn't matter, but it actually causes micro scratches. These scratches are so small, you won't see them immediately, but over time, they build up into visible damage. That's why professionals always use soft microfiber cloth, because it's gentle and protects the paint. And once your car is clean, don't just stop there. This is where most people miss the most important step. You need to apply a protective layer, like wax or sealant, to lock in the shine and protect the surface. This layer acts like a shield, blocking sunlight, dust, and other harmful elements from damaging your car again. It also makes your car look smoother, shinier, and newer, almost like it just came out of the showroom. And the best part is, this simple habit can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And the best part is, this simple habit can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So instead of fixing damage later, you're preventing it now with a simple change in your routine. And that's the difference between a car that looks old quickly and one that stays fresh for years. Most people don't realize this until it's too late, until the damage is already visible and expensive to fix. But now, you're different because you understand the problem before it gets worse. You know what causes the damage, you know how to stop it, and most importantly, you know how to protect your car. So next time you wash your car, take a second and think about what you're using, because it really matters. Because sometimes the biggest mistakes are the ones that feel normal and go unnoticed. But once you fix them, everything changes. Your car looks better and lasts longer. And that simple change can keep your car looking new for years to come.